So these are just a bunch of different brochures from places that I've traveled. Uh, Canada. I go to Canada a lot. It's Winnipeg, Manitoba, Shad Aquarium, Chicago, Boston, Salem. It's just a flight. Dim Sum, Chinatown in Chicago. Glacier National Park, that's in Montana. Sandpoint, that's in Idaho. Some more brochures from Boston. Took the big bus. Duluth, Minnesota. I like Duluth. It's like the Midwest cold version of San Francisco because it's real hilly and it's real pretty. This is a map to. Where is this? Oh, Red Rock Canyon. That's in Vegas, outside of Vegas. So that's Nevada. Ohio. Mississauga, Ontario. That's by Toronto. Toronto's right here. Been there a lot. Being a Michigander, we go to Ontario a lot. Brampton is also in Ontario. That was in Winnipeg, Michigan. I didn't go to this. I just saw this brochure when I went to. It was an international grocery store, and they had it on by the door, and I just thought that it said it just looked cool or whatever. I didn't check it out though. Yeah. So anyway, obviously Michigan. Renaissance Festival, Holly, Michigan. That's the best. I hear the Renaissance Festival in Minnesota is pretty good. I haven't been able to check it out yet, but it is on the to-do list. The Mormon Tabernacle Choir. This was also in Manitoba. Sea Life at Mall of America. Again, Manitoba, because I go to Canada so much. Utah. This is in Salem, Massachusetts. It's not that far from Boston. It is worth checking out. Trust me. Saskatchewan. I've been all over Saskatchewan. They got a city called Moose Jaw. They got Regina. It's spelled like Regina, but it's pronounced Regina. And then you have Saskatoon. It's like way up there. What else we got? It's just some parking in Duluth. Let me see. It's Tornado Alley, Science Museum, Minnesota Zoo. So yeah, just do a lot of traveling. So I'm gonna start documenting Travelzaq. I wish I had a camera following me around all these years I travel to document, my experience and share it with those that can't travel. To kind of bring the world to them. I think that'd be cool and fascinating. So I hope I'm doing some service, some good service for the folks out there. Peace, love, smiles, truth, galaxy. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, be kind to nature. The universe will support you. Peace. Love you all.